Convert each of the following: 8,706 milligrams to kilograms, 5.23 litres to centimetres cubed, and then 12.7 kilometres to centimetres. Now, in order to do this, you really need to know the conversion for metric units. 1 centimetre is 10 millimetres, 1 metre is 100 centimetres, 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres, and for mass, 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, 1 tonne is 1,000 kilograms, and this is called the metric tonne. And then 1 milliliter is actually 1 centimetre cubed, and 1 litre is 1,000 millilitres. You need to learn this table. Now, we've got 8,706 milligrams to kilograms. Now, we're going from a smaller unit to a larger unit, and then if we're going to do that, we will need to divide by the conversion factor. So going stage at a time, so we're going to go from... we're going to say that 1 gram is equal to 1,000 milligrams. So we're going to change this into grams. So that means we would need to do 8,007, and we need to divide, because we're going from the smaller to the larger, by the conversion factor, which is 1,000. So that will become 8.70 grams. And now we're going to go from kilograms from grams. So 8.706 grams, and we're going again from the smaller unit to the larger unit, so we'll need to divide by 1,000. And if we divide by 1,000, we're going to get 0.008706 kilograms. Dividing, we move the decimal point this way, 3 places. Okay, for the second one, we've got 5.23 litres to centimetres cubed. Now this time we're going from a larger unit to a smaller unit. So therefore we will multiply. So we've got 1 litre is actually equal to 1,000 millilitres. So we'll work out 5.23 litres, which is 5.23 times 1,000. So when we multiply by 1,000, we move the decimal point this way. So that will become 5,230 millilitres. And then 1 millilitre is actually equal to 1 centimetre cubed. So 5,230 millilitres will be equal to 5,230 centimetres cubed. Part C, 12.7 kilometres to centimetres. So we're going from a larger unit to a smaller, so we'll end up multiplying by the conversion factors. So 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres, so we'll need to work out 12.7 times 1,000, which will be equal to, so move the decimal point 3 places, 12,700 metres. And then going from metres to centimetres, we need to multiply by 100. So we've got 12,700 metres will be 12,700 times 1,000. So that means we'll need to add on 2 more zeros to that. So we've got 1,270,000 centimetres. So this has been a video to show you how to convert metric units. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.